something about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Arna Shukla. I'm 8 years old and I study in a public school. I live in Madhya Pradesh.
Oh, you live in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is EVS. Well, I'm also fascinated in English, sure, but more fascinates me is science.
Science. Okay.
Yeah.
So you like physics,
Yes.
chemistry?
Well, yes, I like history. They tell things about long time ago. And I like science because I think science is like things, scientific things are happening in magic.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, okay. So, what's your favorite game?
My favorite game is Debado, skating, and taekwondo.
Okay, what is this? Taekwondo?
Taekwondo is a martial art.
Martial art. Oh,
Yes. It is
so you
also a
also
kind of sport. Taekwondo.
oh my God. So you also know martial arts. So, you take classes?
Yes, in my school and game period, my taekwondo teacher named Abhishek sir teaches us taekwondo. He is very strong and powerful. I also think he's also kind of loud.
Okay, it's loud also.
Yes,
Okay. So, in your free time, in your free time, so you play this game, Taekwondo, right?
no, well, no. For that, I need a uniform. I haven't brought it yet from my parents. But in my free time, I just watch cartoons, learn my accent, and just play games on my phone and play with my brother.
Okay. So your brother is elder than you?
No, he's 4 years and 2 months younger to me.
Okay, that's good. So, what do you like most in food?
Well, my favorite food is fried rice and poha, and I just like the taste of them.
Okay.
And the color, yellow. They're yellow color, and because yellow is my favorite color.
Oh, yellow is your favorite color?
Yes, my favorite colors are pink, blue, purple, red, and yellow.
Okay, your favorite colors are four: pink, blue, purple, and yellow.
No, pink, blue, purple, red, and yellow.
Oh, five favorite colors.
Yes,
Okay, but which one is
that's why
best?
you can. That's why you
Oh,
can see with me wearing a pink tracksuit.
oh, that's great. And that's why I'm wearing a red tracksuit.
I like yours.
Thank you. But which one is you most like? Which color you most like?
I like all five exactly the same.
Oh, exact same.
That's why I all. That's why sometimes. That's why I pick things with colors, with my
Okay.
favorite colors.
Okay. So pink is your most favorite color.
No, pink. No. I like all of my five colors the same.
The same. Okay. And which accent you practice?
I practice the accent from UK, British accent.
British accent. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you do to practice British accent?
To practice the British accent, I just watch YouTube videos to learn.
YouTube videos.
Yes.
Okay. Only YouTube videos?
Yes. I think they'll be more better than. I also shadowing.
Shadowing.
Yes, when yes, to also say like what the other YouTubers say on the video.
Hmm. Okay. And who is your best friend in school?
I have four best friends and I love them in different ways. I have my friend Rashi, Sathna, Manat, and Vihan.
Rihan.
Vihan,
Rihan.
Vihan.
Oh, Vihan. Vihan. Okay, okay. Okay. So you have four best friends.
Yes,
And your favorite teacher?
but I have four favorite teachers.
Hmm.
Two of them are my class, and two of them are not in my class, but I miss them. That's my
Oh, you
favorite.
missed.
Yes. First, I got Himagi ma'am. She's my kindergarten teacher.
Okay. Kindergarten teacher, Himanshi ma'am.
Himangi ma'am.
Himangi ma'am. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. I wasn't angry at you. And Shazia ma'am,
Okay.
Pooja ma'am,
Pooja ma'am.
and Arpita ma'am.
Arpita ma'am.
Yes, Arpita ma'am.
Arpita ma'am. Okay. That's good. You are so much favorite teachers, best friends. You are very lucky.
Yes.
Okay. And your younger brother is your
My
favorite?
well, I also like my younger brother, but I'm also annoyed at my younger brother
You and no. Why?
because he disturbs me a lot, but sometimes he does good things for me.
Oh. And what's the good things he did for you?
Well, I think it's good when he lovingly calls me names. I can't tell them to you. You
Okay. He don't call you Didi?
He does call me Didi also. He also called me names which make me smile.
Okay.
And he
And
also helps me with my work.
oh, he helps you.
Yes.
Okay, in your homework?
No, not in my homework. He helps me in the courses, whatever I do.
Okay. And when you watch some cartoons, so he disturb you?
Yes, whenever I watch cartoons, he says, "Sir, I want to watch my favorite cartoon." And I say no, then he cries and does a hangama in the whole house.
Okay. That's good. Hangama is also good sometime.
Why?
Okay. And you like watching movies also?
Yes, my favorite movie is Harry Potter, and I also know about where he took broom flying classes.
Broom flying classes. What is this?
Is where we learn how to fly in a broom. All his friend also tried to fly in a broom, but it was such a disaster.
Oh, I thought the broom is magical.
Yes, it is magical.
Yeah. So you like that broom?
Yes. And I also laugh when his friend there was what he didn't be able to fly properly. It was such a big disaster there.
Okay. And what's the next movie?
I only like Harry Potter, but the next one is from the company from the brand Ultra. It's called My Giraffe.
Okay. I never heard that movie.
It's a movie where a boy he had a friend named friend. He's a giraffe named Rap, and he wanted him to go to school with him.
Okay. And any other movie?
I only like two.
You only like two movies.
Yes, but in a
Okay.
theater, I watched a movie. I found that really scary. We watched a horror one.
Oh, you like horror movies watching theaters.
No, I no. No. I watched a movie. No, I watched a movie with my family, and my Mosi, Bhati Mosi, booked for that horror movie.
Oh, your Mossy booked that horror movie.
Yes,
Okay, okay. What's the name?
I don't know. I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Yes, I
Okay.
just remember it was a horror movie.
Oh, horror movie. You don't like horror movies?
No, I found them really scary, and when I sleep, I get scary dreams.
Oh, scary dreams.
Yes,
Okay. So, and which food? Sorry, yeah, you tell me the food. And which chocolate you like?
my favorite chocolate is Five Star, Dairy Milk, and Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Yes, and
Okay.
Five Star and Dairy Milk.
Five-star Dairy Milk Kit Kat. Three.
Yes,
And you drink milk also? It's your favorite
yes,
or not?
yes, and yes. No, I don't. No, I like three. No, I like four. There's another one. Hershey's Kisses.
Which one? What?
Hershey's Kisses.
Oh, I never heard that name.
It's a chocolate which brings which spreads happiness to the whole world.
Whole world?
Yes.
I don't know. What's the cost?
I don't know the cost because I
Okay.
only see them in supermarkets.
Supermarket.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Great. And what's your means junk food in what you like? Pizza, burger?
I
Which
like
one?
samosa.
Oh, you like samosa. I also like samosa with
And
tea.
I also like chow mein.
Chow mein. Oh, same here, same here.
It looks like we would like the same junk food.
Yeah, that's good. And your yeah, or tell me something about more yourself.
Well, I have some question for you.
Okay.
Sorry, what is my hiccups?
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Where do you live and what's the specialty about your city?
Uh, I live Uttarakhand.
Oh,
Yeah.
Uttar Pradesh, brother.
What?
You live in Uttar Pradesh's brother, right?
Uttarakhand, Uttarakhand.
Yes, Uttarakhand is Uttar Pradesh, brother.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Both are brothers. Oh, I don't know actually. That's why. Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Both are brothers. Yeah. And sister?
They don't have sisters because first they were joined up and now they're separated, and that's why they were brothers.
Hmm. Right. 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 Okay. Your name is Arana, right?
Arna.
Arna. Okay. Okay. So nice to meet you. You are very sweet, very cute. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Take
Bye.
bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.